Hello everybody, this is Jeremy with Showcase Mitsubishi. I'm going to do a brief walk around on a new car that we just got into inventory. This is a 2016 Hyundai Veloster Turbo. This is a 1.6 liter that's capable of over 200 horsepower. This car is also equipped with a very desirable and hard to find manual transmission. This car has 18-inch wheels, sport tuned suspension, sport tuned steering, a lot of great options and features, projector headlights, halo headlights, LED running lights and fog lights as well. This car also has heated power side view mirrors, passive entry system with the proximity key. This car is also a three-door coupe. Not something you see very often, and I don't know if it's available on any other model at all. High bolster leather seats, again 6-speed manual transmission, heated seats, Bluetooth, Blue Link. This car also has USB and auxiliary ports, 450 watt dimension stereo with a subwoofer. A lot of options and features. This car is a clean Carfax, one owner, no accidents, paint work, or damage ever. This car also has the painted body side graphics, painted rear spoiler, LED tail lights, backup camera. A really neat feature on the Velosters as well is the center exhaust. This is a hatch, still making it very user-friendly. You have a 60-40 split rear seat, so you have the ability to fold down the seats, so you have more room. Cargo cover to cover and protect all your valuables when you have everything stored in here. Keeps it so it's not visible to anybody while the car is parked. This car is a very unique pearl orange. It's actually called Vitamin C is the color of this car. Again, one owner, no accidents, no paint work, no damage ever. Absolutely gorgeous in every way. If you have any questions on this car or anything else in our inventory, please feel free to call us. Our number is 989-684-0500. You can also view all of our inventory on the web at www.showcasecars.net.